Hello friends, welcome again. In last lecture we will start the next point of this chapter, that is the metalloporphyrins. And metalloporphyrins are in which these are the complex in which the metal atom present in the center of the ring, and that ring is made up of the pyrrole. Such a complex or such a compounds are called as a metalloporphyrin, and these metalloporphyrins are the two types, hemoglobin and the myoglobin. And in last lecture we will discuss the structure, function and the properties of the hemoglobin. Today we are going to see the second metalloporphyrin, that is the myoglobin. Okay, this is the second metalloporphyrin, myoglobin. Okay, what is myoglobin? Myoglobin is a pigment like hemoglobin. Myoglobin is a pigment like hemoglobin. This myoglobin is just like a hemoglobin, because hemoglobin is also metalloporphyrin and myoglobin is also metalloporphyrin. Okay, in hemoglobin the 4 heme groups are present, but in myoglobin only one heme group is present along with only one globin molecule. So myoglobin having one heme and only one heme group and one globin molecule. One globin molecule. Okay, so there are 4 heme groups present in the hemoglobin, but there are only one heme group present in the myoglobin, and the molecular weight of myoglobin is a 17,000 Dalton. Molecular weight of myoglobin is 17,000 Dalton. Okay, now, so the heme group means again the center atom is Fe present in the porphyrin ring. So it is also a heme group, or myoglobin also having heme group in which Fe atom present at the center, but only one heme group is present. So the oxidation state of that Fe is +3. The oxidation state of Fe atom is +3 in myoglobin. Okay, now it having 153 amino acid. Okay, in hemoglobin 574 amino acids are present, but myoglobin having 153 amino acid. 153 amino acid. Okay, we will see just short structure of the myoglobin, which is a iron containing metalloporphyrin, and the oxidation state of the Fe is the +3. Now this is the structure of myoglobin, and it having only one heme group, so only one porphyrin ring is present. This is a histidine amino acid, and the oxidation state of this Fe is +3. So I will not draw the whole structure, just short structure of the myoglobin, which is also a metalloporphyrin in which the Fe atom is present in the center of the ring. So it is a heme protein, or it is also called as a heme protein because it is having Fe atom at the center, and the oxidation state of that Fe is the +3. Okay, now the situation of Fe means the distance of this Fe from the nitrogen is 0.3 angstrom. The situation of Fe from nitrogen is 0.3 angstrom. Okay. Now this distance, which is also called as the distance of Fe from this nitrogen, is the 0.3 angstrom. Now we already say that hemoglobin is the oxygen transport. It carry oxygen or it transfer oxygen to the various parts of the body. But myoglobin, or the main function of myoglobin, is the oxygen storage. Myoglobin show the function of oxygen storage. Okay, so we will say that the main function of myoglobin is the oxygen storage. Okay, then when it is given its oxygen, we say that the hemoglobin is oxygen transport. Hemoglobin काय करणार की तो ऑक्सिजन ट्रान्सपोर्ट आहे, म्हणजे त्याचं मेन फंक्शन काय हेमोग्लोबिनचं ऑक्सिजन देणं. पण जेव्हा हेमोग्लोबिन ऑक्सिजन देतो आणि मायोग्लोबिनचं फंक्शन काय ऑक्सिजन स्टोअर करणं, तर हेमोग्लोबिन जेव्हा ऑक्सिजन देतो तर जेव्हा तो ऑक्सिजन कमी पडतो तेव्हा मायोग्लोबिन काय करतो, त्याचा स्टोअर केलेला ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय करतो. सो that the hemoglobin is oxygen transfer and the myoglobin is oxygen storage. It give oxygen when it is needed. म्हणजे जेव्हा गरज असेल तेव्हा मायोग्लोबिन काय करणार, त्याचा ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय करणार. ओके. नाउ ॲट अ हाय प्रेशर, आता हेमोग्लोबिन पण ऑक्सिजनेटेड आहे आणि मायोग्लोबिन पण ऑक्सिजनेटेड आहे. तर मग आता दोघांमध्ये डिफरन्स काय की ऑक्सिजन लेवल दोघांची कमी जास्त होऊ शकते. आता हे कशावरती डिपेंड आहे, तुमच्या लिव्हिंग सिस्टीमवरती, त्याचं प्रेशर, त्याचं टेम्परेचर. तर मोस्टली इट इज रिलेटेड विथ द प्रेशर. and at high pressure of living system, the hemoglobin and myoglobin show same affinity for the oxygen. At high pressure, hemoglobin and myoglobin show same affinity for oxygen. Okay, at high pressure, both having same affinity of the oxygen because both metalloporphyrin related with the oxygen and the function of oxygen. But the function of myoglobin is a pH dependent. Function of myoglobin is pH dependent. Means its function is depending on the pH of the living system. Below low pH, the function of myoglobin does not work. So the pH of the system sufficiently maintained in the living system, then and then only the myoglobin give its function. So this is the structure, function or characteristics of the myoglobin, which is the second metalloporphyrin. So the metalloporphyrins are over. That is, these are only two metalloporphyrins, hemoglobin and the myoglobin. And we already discussed the structure function of hemoglobin in the last lecture, and today we will discuss the structure function of the myoglobin. Okay. In next lecture we will see the electron transfer reaction and their function. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.